Hey everyone, if your Acer laptop touchpad is unresponsive on Windows 11, you can try the following steps to resolve the issue. Enable the touchpad via function keys. Acer laptop often include a function key to toggle the touchpad on or off. Identify the touchpad toggle key. Look for a key with a touchpad icon typically found among the function keys from F1 to F12. Toggle the touchpad, press the function key and the identified function keys simultaneously. Example F function plus F7. Enable the touchpad in Windows settings. Ensure the touchpad is enabled. Within the system settings, access touchpad settings, press Windows key plus I to open settings, navigate to Bluetooth and devices, go to touchpad, enable touchpad, ensure the touchpad toggle is set to on. If it's off, click to turn it on. Update and reinstall touchpad drivers. Outdated or corrupted driver can cause touchpad malfunctions. Access Device Manager. Press Windows key plus X and select Device Manager. Update driver. Expand mice and other pointing devices. Right-click your touchpad device and select Update driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers and follow the prompts. Reinstall driver. If updating doesn't help, right-click the touchpad device and select Uninstall device. Restart your laptop. Windows should automatically reinstall the driver. Perform a hard reset. A power reset can resolve hardware glitches. Shut down laptop, turn off your laptop completely, disconnect power sources, unplug the charger and if possible remove the battery. Drain residual power, hold the power button for 15 seconds. Reconnect power, reinsert the battery and plug in the charger. Power on, turn on your laptop and test the touchpad. Check for physical damage. Inspect the touchpad for signs of physical damage or a debris. Clean the touchpad, gently wipe the touchpad surface with a soft dry cloth to remove any dirt or debris. Inspect for damage. Look for visible signs of damage. If damage is suspected, consider seeking professional repair service. If none of these steps resolve the issue, it may indicate a hardware problem. In such cases, contacting ACE support or visiting a certified technician is recommended.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.